So, hopefully you completed the Wheel of Life, another exercise for understanding not just the current state, but your past. And I need to preface that by saying that coaching is in general, we do not really concern about the past. Like coaching is not therapy. This is not what we do. We're not here to resolve childhood trauma. However, sometimes it can be resolved because in coaching, you can have extremely cathartic experiences and understanding and processing and working through it in the current moment. Either way, this is an exercise that might help you to analyze your past. Life map. So what's a life map? Let's take a look. You already can see the image, and you take a piece of paper and you take a pencil and you draw a line. You start on the left. This is your starting point. This is where I was born. And you start basically mapping out all the highlights and lowlights of your life, right? So all the peaks, all the great things that happened, all the valleys, maybe things that you perceive as negative experiences. However, all these peaks and valleys, all these highlights and lowlights of your life, they've shaped your mind in a certain way. So, started school, moved schools, won a martial arts competition, broke arm, new country, first boyfriend, all that stuff. Very important to work through these things, because you will see, again, we talked about generalizations and different kind of mental filters, but how our minds, how our current thinking is shaped through our experiences in the past. Our past is often holding us, and I'm less concerned about all the highlights and the positive experiences. I'm more concerned about the negative ones, because if you can map them out, if you can track them, the question you must ask yourself, where the belief is coming from. And it's one thing to say where in the past there was a certain experience that shaped that negative or limiting belief, but also, on the other hand, what is the current thinking, where it's coming from, what is the underlying thought beneath it. And if you keep digging, very oftentimes you will find that it's just a belief that's been old. You've outgrown, like as you outgrow your clothes, you outgrow your beliefs. You become better, smarter, wiser, but you're still utilizing old belief. So we do not focus too much on the past, but this is the exercise that will help you do it. Life map it, and let's take a quick look at the workbook.